Hey there mga may loves, Libra! Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel mga babes. So bago natin start yung inyong March 2024 readings, meron tayong new channel, no? Yan, ang Doll Name, no? Yan yung name ng channel, Goddess of the Moon. So collective readings for all signs, no? Ang i-upload natin doon everyday at meron na rin mga naka-upload at thank you so much sa mga nakatambay na doon, no? At sa mga tatambay pa lang yan mga babes, no? Welcome, welcome. At syempre mga babes, no, I suggest na kayo ay mag-subscribe para ma-hit ninyo yung notification bell para uploaded na uploaded na yung video readings, no, ay ma-update rin kayo instantly. So yun nga mga babes, no, let's check these messages here for you sa March 2024. So yeah, thank you so much Person Angel guides. We have two decks right here. So yeah, we'll shuffle both. So, let's see. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me something about my Libra for the month of March 2024, please. March 2024 for Libra. March 2024. This is for Libra here. What this Libra needs to know. Okay. So, yeah, i-shuffle na rin natin tong isang other deck natin, no? Para tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagbabasa ng mensahe. So, tell me more for my Libra. March 2024. This is for my Libra people. Please tell me more. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages here for ya. Guys, so first energy we've got here for you, Libra, is this children. Some of you, maaaring meron na kayong anak. You could be a family man or a family woman. To some of you, iba naman, single mom or single dad right here. Iba, doesn't have to be na kayo ay may anak, no? Pwede nakikita ko lang that this March, nakikita ko mga babes, no? Na parang kayo to, you feel light like a child, no? Parang kayo to, no, na magkakaroon rito ng situation na parang kang bata. And I do sense that it has something to do with your being playful, no? Parang this is you na parang like a child, no? Nakikita ko dito na parang magiging happy ka like a child or may gagawin ka rito na parang first time mo ito, no, nagawin, no? And you feel so happy about it pag after mo na yung magawa, no? Parang ikaw to, nakikita ko na matutuwa ka, no? Sa outcome ng gagawin mo na to, no? Parang hindi naman sa pagiging reckless, no? Or what. Pero nakikita ko dito na parang ikaw to, na magiging happy ka, no? Na parang buong-buo, genuine yung happiness mo. So, maaaring merong sitwasyon na gano'n na mukhang ilalabas mo rito, no? Yung pagiging inner child mo. No? Actually, happiness at pagiging playful yan. Pero you know, dalawa yung nakikita ko rito. Doesn't have to be na dalawa yung anak ninyo or whatever, no? Pero yung iba nakikita ko na kaya ka nagiging playful kasi meron ka makakonect rito. Yung iba pwedeng friendship ito, no? Yung iba naman, no? Pwedeng ito ay love at nagsisimulang new connection. So, someone here might be coming your way and I'm seeing a lot of dogs. Ayan, no? May puppy pa nga rito, no? At nakikita ko rito, no? Dogs are ano ba ang meron ng mga dogs, 'di ba? Faithful sila, loyal sila. So kung sino man 'tong nakikita kong paparating sa inyo, no, this person will be faithful sa inyo and I'm seeing honesty as well. So yeah, no, yung person na yun, pwedeng siya ay single mom or single dad or you could be if children is present here. Pero more likely, no, doesn't have to be always the case because I'm also sensing here, no, na this is you. Okay, malalabas mo yung pagiging playful mo, pagiging funny mo. Yan, see, look at that, chemistry, another two individuals here. So, definitely, meron ditong significant na maaaring friendship at nakita ko dito na love and connection relationship or other friendship na papunta sa relationship. No? Kung meron man kayong kausap ngayon, nakikita ko dito na mas makikita mo mga babes, no, yung potential ng person na yan sa mga susunod na mga araw or mga linggo right here, no? So, this March, I do sense na nakikita ko na may pag-alab, may ano dito, no passion na mas mabubuo sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. Yung iba, doesn't have to be love connection, no? Pwedeng friendship na titibay, no? Someone here you feel like, no, na parang ang sarap sa feeling na meron ka lang nakakausap, no? Ang sarap sa feeling no, na parang nagkakaroon ka ng best friend, especially kung wala kang best friend, no? Or yung huli mong best friend, no, is no school days mo pa, like elementary, no, or old times pa. 'Di ba? Yeah, this could be the one. See, I'm sensing two people here. This could be the one. So, kung sino man rito mga babes, no, yung makikilala mo or nakilala mo, no, at lalalim ang inyong connection at pwedeng magkasama na kayo ngayon, nakikita ko na siya na dito yung romantic partner na hinahanap mo. So, tinataglay niya rito ang mga checklist mo at nakikita ko that that person, no, is high chance na siya na talaga, no, ang padala ng mga yun, no, may cupids in the background. Siya na talaga rito mga babes, no. Yung iba, yung makikilala ninyo this March, maaring may options kayo because of tools na nakikita natin here. Pero one of those options is yung meant na for you. So, nakikita natin yun dito. No? So, yung iba, pwedeng ka-in relationship mo na to right now at nakikita ko na mas lalalim pa ang inyong pagtingin sa kanya, no? At nakikita nyo rito, makikita nyo ang potential, no, ng marriage sa tao na yan. And we have here the separation, time apart from partner is on the horizon, express your love. So, nakita ko dito, na kung may partner ka man ngayon, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na pwedeng, itong pansamantala, temporary lang tong separation na to, kasi pwedeng umalis lang siya because of may kailangan siyang gawing work or magtatrabaho siya sa ibang bansa or ibang lugar, no, pwedeng within the Philippines lang, sa iba pwedeng sa other country. At yun nga, no, kung kayo ay may connection or relationship na nakikita ko rito na itong LDR connection na to, which is I do pick up strongly rin, no, is nakikita ko na mas magpapatibay pa ng love ninyo for each other. So, itong pansamantalang paghihiwalay ninyo ay hindi yung umpisa ng pagluloko niya o pagluloko, no, sa connection, kundi umpisa ng pagtitibay ng inyong connection, no? Dahil mas lalo ninyong mamimiss ang isa't isa, no? Nakikita ko kung sino to, di ba? Lumalabas siya bilang dog. So, and this is two dogs right here, and we have here the puppy. So, talagang kung sino man tong kakonek mo rito, no? Hindi siya maghahanap ng ibang tao dahil para mapunan yung pangungulila niya, no? Dahil ikaw lang yung kailangan niya. Yan. Faithful siya sa'yo rito. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. And if this is someone here, no, nakakilala nyo pa lang pero wala pa kayong connection or makikilala nyo pa lang this March, nakikita ko, no, na itong klase ng connection na to, no, pwedeng siya ay far away from you or from a distance, no, pwedeng nakatira siya, no, like let's say, sa south ka and then sa north siya, or sabihin natin, no, na sa ibang bansa siya nakatira and you are here in the Philippines or baliktarin nyo na lang, no? Nakikita ko rito yung paglalapit ng inyong mga damdamin sa isa't isa, no? The more na nag-uusap kayo everyday, the more na, actually, the more na nakikita ka niya, the more na mas interesado siyang makilala ka in person or makita ka in person, lalo na kung hindi pa kayo nag-meet. Yan, no, personally. So, nakikita ko dito, no, na mas may express pa ang inyong love and adoration for each other, Libra. See, honeymoon! So, definitely, this is calling for marriage. See, look at that. I'm seeing you spending that romantic time alone together. Feels like a holiday. Bliss is the other term for happiness. And nakikita ko na mas magiging masaya kayo kapag kayo ay magkasama. Tignan mo naman yung bangkero ninyo, walang iba kundi isang angel yan, no? 'Di ba? At dito nga lang, no, nakita na natin yung mga cupids dito. So, definitely, talagang this could be the one for you na. Yan, no? This is definitely leading to marriage, no? At saka, alam mo, feels like newlywed kayo. Okay? Yung iba, baka married na kayo with this person, no? Pero yun nga, no? Yung tamis at ganda ng samahan ninyo, nagpapatibay dito, no? So, pwedeng meron siyang sabihin na dito or baliktarin niyo na lang na pwedeng kayo to, no? Na pwedeng kayo yung may opportunity, no? Sa ibang bansa regarding work. Nakikita ko rito, no? Na yung LDR na yan or yung pansamantalang paghihiwalay na yan ay hindi hudyat ng paghihiwalay ninyong dalawa ng tuluyan, kundi hudyat ng pagkamis at paglalim pa. ng inyong connection. Oo, hindi siya maaagaw sa'yo. Lumalabas nga kayo dito bilang inseparable eh. Yan o, nakikita ko kayo ditong perfect combination. Yan. So, you could be as well divine counterpart. So, let's see more for your March right here. Definitely, marriage contract is also present. We have here the lovers. Others of you could have options here when it comes to love, but definitely one of them is your right person, no? Isa na sa kanila ang iyong right person, no? Kung may options ka man when it comes to love, and this person might appear, no, half of March 2024. That's what I'm picking up. You have here the star and the lover, so definitely wish come true. I'm seeing right here. Okay, so let's see at the bottom we have here the sun, the eight of swords energy, six of cups. You know what? I'm sensing that this is you. Okay? Kung ano man yung bagay na pakiramdam mo, hindi nagkakaroon ng pagbabago sa buhay mo, then magkakaroon na yan ng kaliwanagan, no? Pagbabago, no? It looks like you're aligning yourself into these positive changes and you're calling in these positive changes to happen in your 3D or in your reality, and then seeing you getting released from whatever it is, no? Just like a child, okay? Just like a child, you will once again feel na para ka ritong na-reborn or pinanganak ulit, nagkaroon ng rebirth, no? And you will feel like life is more beautiful this March and with the consecutive months, no? Na mga susunod for you guys. And with the presence of Six of Cups energy, I do see you being reunited here. I don't know if literal ito, kasi yung iba, pwedeng literal ito na may reunion ba sa school ninyo, high school, ganyan, elementary, na may nakikita tayong ganyan, or college, no? Pero yung iba, nakikita ko na marireunate kayo, no, with your best friends, no? Yung iba, it's more than one, eh. Okay? So, nakikita ko na pwedeng small circle of friends mo, pero mga best friends mo sila or mga kaklose mo. Nakikita ko dito na pwede kayo magkita-kita at hindi nyo alam na magkikita-kita kayo. So, it might happen unexpectedly. Okay? Like, let's say, okay, you're gonna bump with this person, no, sa grocery or sa mall, and then, uy, no, magkikita kayong ganyan. Ay, no, tawagan mo nga si ano, alam mo ba yung number ni ano? Yeah, oo, friends kami sa Facebook, kung papuntahin mo siya, like, you do not see this coming, pero it will happen, no? And it will be such a good feeling, no? Na makita mo ulit at makasama mo ulit na yung mga tao rito. And feels like walang nagbago, no? Ganun pa rin yung inyong samahan at friendship right here. Yan. At saka someone here is watching you. Someone here, no? Is watching you, pero hindi niya alam na na itong pag-oobserba niya sa'yo, itong pag-i-stalk niya sa'yo pwede, no, ay may feelings na pala siya para sa'yo. So, this could be a secret admirer to some of you. Yan, or this could be yung option ninyo when it comes to love. If options naman ang magkakaroon sa inyo this March 2024, no? Like, hindi yan nare-realize, no? Kung bakit niya palaging tinitingnan, no? Akala niya lang siguro, ina-admire ka niya, no? Dahil magaling ka, or dahil masipag ka when it comes to work, no? Or meron siyang rito ina-admire sa'yo na magaling ka. Very specific yun. Yung iba parang, kunwari example, magaling ka dun sa Excel, no? Parang, alam mo na paikot-ikot, no? Lahat ng formulas, alam mo, no? Ina-admire ka niya dahil dun, no? Kasi hindi niya alam yung mga ganun, eh. No? Or yung iba naman, no? Alam na magaling ka sa painting, no? Tapos ina-admire niya yun, okay? Meron siyang specific na ina-admire siya sa'yo. And I think hindi niya alam, no? Na may feelings and emotions siya sa'yo. Akala niya simple admiring lang or simple infatuation lang yun. But there's more to it pala. So, yeah. And also, I do pick up right here, Libra, okay, with the Justice card right here, lovers, and the presence of Star and Hierophant right here, definitely. Four major arcanas, no? Actually, five. Okay? So, definitely, may malaking pagbabago talagang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Malaking pagbabago, no, na magle-level up, no? At mag-glow up ka talaga rito. Mag-glow yung energy mo, no? At nakikita ko rito that things are balancing out for you. Bumabalik na rito, no, sa tamang takbo ang takbo ng iyong buhay, no? So, nakikita ko dito na pwedeng nagkaroon ng stagnation sa iyong life before, but I'm seeing, no, that everything right here is now aligned in your favor with the Justice card right here. And picking up that this is you, meron ako nakikita nga asikasuhin ka mga importanteng papeles sa mga susunod na araw, kahit bago pa mag-March or March, like first week, second week, no? Nakita ko may aasikasuhin kang documents right here. I don't know what that document is, but I'm seeing it na umuusad yon, no? Or this is you, pwedeng nag-aalala ka kung uusad ba yun o hindi. Pero nakita ko rito na uusad yun. Okay? Kasi nakita ko may pag-worry about that document or about that contracts, no? Ano man yun. Ano man yun. Related sa trabaho, related sa personal mong buhay, or yeah. So, nakita ko rin dito, no, that with the star in the Hierophant, definitely, okay, your love life is also significant here. Nakikita ko rito, no, na may malaking pagbabago rin dito sa love life mo. And with the presence of the star in the Hierophant, definitely you're gonna meet the one. You're gonna meet the one for you guys, led by the spirits and angel guides, no? Led by your guardians right here. This is someone here na pwedeng may success siya, actually, sa buhay niya, or with high honor. This is someone here with authority. An official person is what I'm picking up. Official person right here. Someone na may say, someone na may authority, no? And this is someone here who is authentic when it comes to his or her emotions and feelings. And this is someone here, no, na pag nagsalita siya, ang galing, no? This person here is very good with his or her words, no? I'm pertaining with his or her life in general. Magaling siyang magsalita at mag-talk when it comes to his or her work, career, business, job, at magaling rin siya ritong magbigay ng advice. This is someone here na tahimik lang. Kapag merong sitwasyon na may problema or may sitwasyon na parang may issue or concern, hindi mo siya nakikitang nagpapanik. Why? Because this person is someone who is quiet but thinking of the solution, how, no, na magagawan yun ng solusyon, no, instead of panicking. So, you're dealing here with someone na magaling, no, pagdating dito sa approach sa life in general. So, nakikita ko, no, na yung person na yan, no, is hindi naman siya as in matured sa inyo by age. Actually, pwede nga mas bata pa siya sa inyo, Libra. Pero sa nakikita ko rito, no, malaki ang potential niya rito, no, na talagang mas maging successful or mag-succeed sa buhay niya. Kasi ganyan siya rito mag-isip, ganyan niya i-handle yung life niya, no. Wala kapag ganyan na yan siya mag-handle ng life niya. At nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that with the lovers right here and the 9 of Wands, I do pick up, no, na parang meron ditong mga energy na meron kayong kadil. Okay, doesn't have to be na romantic relationship to. Meron kayong kadil, someone you care for, pwedeng loved ones, okay, family members, relatives, ganyan, no? Parang sometimes, papagod kayong intindihin sila, pero pinipili nyo na lang na intindihin sila. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. Parang ikaw 'to na ako yung mas nakakaintindi, sige ako na lang yung magi-giveaway, parang gano'n ka 'no. You're being kind-hearted and you're being, someone here na parang, ang pagpapasensyahan ko na lang kasi ako yung mas nakakaunawa. Parang gano'n yung nakukuha ko sa'yo rito 'no. So you're bringing healing here, not only in this type of situation but also in the flow of your energy, yan. And yung picking up right here 'no, na meron ritong isang magandang balita na paparating sa inyo. This is some kind of a quite small na good news 'no, pero matutuwa ka. Yan, 'no, matutuwa ka. And I think it has something to do with the gift 'no, or parang present 'no, parang ano yun, little present or small gift na mare-receive mo 'no, pero, you will feel special 'no, 'pag na-receive mo yung klaseng gano'n na news 'no. Parang you feel so valued, you feel so loved, and you feel so happy about it. Yan 'no, kahit na parang little present yun or hindi naman yun talagang as in wish fulfillment or whatever 'no, pero you appreciate that, okay? You appreciate that and I know that you know how to appreciate 'no, small things, big things 'no, yan, okay? So yeah, ito ang mga nakuha nating messages for your March 2024. Thank you so much for your time, Libra. And see you there sa Dalnim channel. Link is in the description box, babe. Sarangayo. Love and light. 안녕.